Hi everyone, it's Emily and I have some education about the Avanos suction catheter that we use in the NICU. So the recommendation for the size is to take your ET tube size times 2. So here we have a 3, and with the 3 I've attached the 6 French suction catheter. So we have our 3Y adapter. The suction catheters come with a 2.5, a 3, and a 3.5, so you can select that one appropriately. I've also trimmed the tube here at about 13, and then you put the Y adapter in, and you can see the tip of the Y adapter is at about 12.5. So we've got two different methods that we can utilize to know our appropriate suction depth. The first method is to simply advance the catheter until the number lines up with the number on the tube. So I know red and 12, it's 12 and then red and then 13. So there's 12, red, and 13. And you can see the tip of the suction catheter is just below. Now this is an okay suction depth, but you can also go half further. So you could advance the red to the 12. And now your suction catheter is just past your endotracheal tube tip, which will ensure safe suctioning. Option 2, and this is what the manufacturer video recommends on YouTube if you watch that, but this, they recommend where this comes to, so it's at 12.5 plus 5, so 5 is the distance of this Y adapter, 5 centimeters from the tip of the adapter to here. So what they recommend is you add 5, so we've got 17.5. So when we go to our catheter, there's 17, and 17.5 would be the purple. And so you want to see the purple in this, what they call the manifolds, that little window where this plugs in. That's where you're going to look for your purple. So we're going to advance this until we get to the purple. Okay, so we've got purple in our window. This is for the tip of the ET tube method. If you want to go 0.5 past, you would go to 18, and now you're 0.5 past the tip of the ET tube. I'm sorry, that's a little bit blurry, but it looks the same as it did on the other one. There we go, perfect. Okay, so that is safe suctioning. I know I had some small cards down in the NICU, but I am working on getting a larger card because the old ones disappeared. So once those are in place, we will need to put those on the ventilator. As soon as those are sent to me, I'm going to laminate them and get those down there so that we make sure that we're utilizing safe suction. Also, as a reminder, the nurse practitioners and physicians are requesting that we have one suction hooked up here going to our suction on the wall, and then have a separate suction for our oral suction. Okay, thank you so much. Let me know if you have questions.